Sentence structure number 8. Compared to.
Examples.
1. Compared to other students, she is quite hardworking.
2. Compared to city life, country life is quiet and peaceful.
3. Compared to fans, air conditioners are more comfortable. Dialogue.
So how do you like your new job?
Compared to my last one, it's a lot more interesting.
What was your last job?
I was a night security guard.
That sounds interesting.
Not really, since compared to my new job, I hardly saw anybody else while I was on duty. Sentence structure number 9. Did you used to?
Examples.
1. Did you used to live in Tokyo?
2. Did you used to get up early?
3. You used to smoke heavily, didn't you? Dialogue.
Did you used to have any really bad habits?
I used to bite my toenails when I was younger, but now I don't.
What made you stop?
One day I bit my toenail too deeply and my toe started bleeding. So I learned my lesson and didn't bite my toenails again. Sentence structure number 10. Don't ever.
Examples.
1. Don't ever lose these papers. They are of great importance to our company.
2. Don't ever miss a good opportunity.
3. Don't ever arrive late for an interview. Dialogue.
Mom, can I go swimming in the pool now?
But you just had your lunch.
I know, but it's hot and I want to cool off.
Don't ever go swimming right after eating or else you'll get cramps.
When can I go swimming then?
Why don't you wait for at least a half an hour? Sentence structure number 11. Do you agree?
Examples.
1. Do you agree that we should start early?
2. Do you agree with my plan?
3. Will he agree to the conditions in the contract? Dialogue.
I think studying English is boring and a waste of time. Don't you agree?
No, I think it's really important if you want to have a good job in the future.
But it's too hard to learn.
I don't agree. You just have to work at it and be persistent.
Maybe you're right. I guess I need to work harder at it and be more disciplined.
Sentence structure number 12. Do you carry this in?
Examples.
1. Do you carry this in size 10?
2. Do you carry this in beige?
3. Do you have this in medium? Dialogue.
How do you like this sweater?
It looks beautiful. Can I try it on?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, I'm afraid it's too tight on me. Do you carry this in a larger size?
Yes, we do. Here, try this one.
This is perfect. I'll take this one.